Caravan insurance helps you look after your caravan and gives you that peace of mind that if anything was to happen, you're financially covered. In the unfortunate events of damage or theft, insurance steps in to compensate for the loss. This compensation can cover the costs of repairs or facilitate the purchase of a replacement caravan, minus any applicable policy access, the initial amount that you're responsible for in a successful claim. Ordinary motor insurance typically falls short in providing the comprehensive coverage needed for touring caravans. While some motor insurers might extend coverage to a trailer towed by your car, they often exclude coverage for your caravan. Relying on a motor insurance for your touring caravan can lead to potential complications. Arranging insurance for your touring caravan requires a tailored approach considering the diverse shapes, sizes, and individual needs of the caravan owners. As a specialist subject, caravan insurance is best handled by experts who can understand your specific circumstances. Several factors influence the cost of caravan insurance, including the caravan's value, safety and security conditions, your insurance claims history, patterns of caravan use, store location, and the contents it carries. I'll get onto this in more detail soon. Touring caravan insurance typically covers essential elements, including protection for the caravan itself against theft, loss, or damage. It may factor in the current market value, replacement on a new-for-old basis, or a pre-agreed guaranteed value between you and the insurer. Contents inside the caravan are also covered, considering their substantial value. Public liability coverage, often at least £1 million, protects you if someone's injured or their property's damaged due to your caravan usage. Key considerations for touring caravan insurance include the need for tailor-made coverage that matches your specific requirements. Special attention to storage conditions, security measures, and public liability risks should be factored into your insurance arrangement. Your requirement for static caravan insurance is akin to any other insurance need. It revolves around assessing potential losses in case of damage or loss. Given the substantial investment in a static caravan, it becomes susceptible to various risks, things like fire, flood, storm damage, impacts to the vehicle of falling objects, vandalism, theft, or break-ins. Any of these occurrences can lead to severe damage or total destruction of your holiday home. In the absence of adequate insurance, the financial burden of repairing or replacing this valuable asset would fall entirely on you. Similar to other insurance types, static caravan insurance aims to restore you to the same position that you were in before the insured event occurred. The primary focus of insurance lies in shielding the caravan itself from these significant threats. Coverage may be structured based on the replacement market value, considering the age and depreciation, new-for-old replacement, typically for new or nearly new static caravans, or an agreed guaranteed value, a compromise between the market valuation and new-for-old replacement. Protection for the contents of your caravan is equally crucial. As a second or holiday home, the value of contents may accumulate over time. That means necessary adequate coverage against theft, loss, and damage. Including public liability insurance is vital, providing protection against substantial claims from the fellow site users, their visitors, or the public who may experience injury or property damage for which you're then held liable. Public liability insurance usually offers a minimum cover of £5 million. Owning a second home often includes the option of earning extra income by letting it out. This requires permission from the parks management and should be reflected in your insurance coverage. The cover needs to account for the possibility of temporarily acting as a landlord to visiting tenants and the additional risks involved. Considering that your holiday home will be vacant for certain and possible extended periods, it becomes vulnerable. Specialist static caravan insurance considers these vacant periods and may require you to take necessary precautions for safeguarding your holiday home. The security of the holiday park itself may also be considered in the assessment. Caravans are susceptible to theft. Every year, approximately 4,000 caravans are stolen. Insurance protects you against theft, so you'll have that extra security. Accidental damage can cover you for the cost of repairs or replacement for any damages. This means that you'll be covered if someone goes into your caravan while it's parked outside your home. If you ever get into an accident, you'll know that you're financially protected. Caravan insurance provides coverage both on the road and at home. However, insuring your stationary caravan, even at home, is advisable due to potential theft or unforeseen events. As a caravan owner, you have an ethical responsibility to compensate others if your caravan causes injury or damage. Insurance allows you to fulfill this duty without draining your personal finances. If you use your caravan for work or you've got contracts with sites or businesses, they may insist on insurance as a contractual requirement. It could be a prerequisite for certain agreements and partnerships. If you're wondering exactly what cover you need, you can tweak it to suit you. And here are a few of the options: loss or damage, coverage for fire, theft, flood and storms. A choice between new for old or market value. Contents cover, adjustable for valuable possessions. Accidental damage cover during towing. European touring coverage, typically applicable across Europe. New for old versus market value. Now, market value ensures that your caravan's insured as its current worth. And in contrast, new for old covers guarantees compensation at the original purchase price, regardless of depreciation. Caravan insurance typically covers contents in both the UK and Europe. Check your home insurance for additional coverage, especially for valuables worldwide. Several factors influence premiums, including the caravan's model, security features, storage location, contents value, your residence, and age. Enhance caravan security with ground anchors and hitch posts. Approved storage sites and trackers can lead to premium reductions. All new caravans are registered with the CRIS, which stands for Central Reservation and Identification Scheme. This helps prevent and deter caravan crime, and it's a one-off fee of £20.95. Many insurance companies request this registration document before processing a claim. As you can see, caravan insurance is a practical and prudent choice to protect your investment, ensure your financial security, and enable worry-free enjoyment of your caravan adventures. If you're interested in finding a quote, click the link in the description and fill out the simple form. It'll provide you with quotes specific to your circumstance from our partners at Quote Zone. If you do find an insurance that works for you, then you'll also be supporting Money Nerds, so thanks.